we proudly introduce Artisan Grove reclaimed wood standing desks. With Artisan Grove, you can enjoy the unsurpassed beauty, feel, prestige, and unmistakable character of genuine reclaimed old-growth lumber, locally sourced in America's heartland. Our U.S.-made products are eco-friendly and deliver all the health and productivity benefits you expect from a premium electric standing desk. Best of all, we deliver handmade craftsmanship without the back orders and long lead times. Why wait months for custom furniture when you can have a truly unique and distinctive future heirloom arrive within days? Every Artisan Grove desk starts with solid, durable, reclaimed lumber. Each plank is a piece of forgotten history given new life. It may have been salvaged from a century-old barn, church, home, or factory. By simply holding it in your hand, you can instantaneously tell the difference in old-growth timber, the weight, the depth, the tightness of the grain. This wood is carefully selected, then lovingly crafted by hand into beautiful desktops. Upon completion, the tops are lightly stained in clear bourbon or mocha to let the unique grain, imperfections, and marks from a century's worth of use shine through. The tops are then paired with a premium, solid metal, full-featured dual-motor electric standing desk frame that can be assembled in under 5 minutes, offering a programmable keypad to instantly recall your favorite standing and sitting settings. Each desk is distinctive, sophisticated, and totally unique. In a world where disposable is now the norm, Artisan Grove brings lasting craftsmanship to the modern standing desk.